This 2014 Nissan Altima is not reading the key fob. It must have happened after replacing the car's battery. I tried turning on the car with the new battery and this pops up. Key ID incorrect. A car and a key symbol flashes as well. To start it up, press the start button. The car has a RFID reader inside the start button. All you have to do is touch your key fob directly on the start button, like this. Put your key fob close to the start button. Now the car is ready to turn on. Press the brake pedal and the start button. Press the start button with key fob close to it. Now the car is turned on. If you like this video, give it a like. And do not forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights.